I have a finial for one of my French clocks that this part here broke off on, so I'm gonna glue it back. But before I glue it back, I need to make them both ends smooth. There's not enough there to glue it back without making it smooth. Not smooth enough. I'm going to finish this off camera. Stand by. And I also drilled holes in both this dowel and the finial itself. And I put this nail in, and I'm going to cut the nail head off. And the purpose behind doing that is so everything will stay in place while I glue it down. I have a clamp on, and I'm going to use super glue and baking soda to glue it. Is this the professional way of doing things? No. But does it work? Yes. So let me finish putting this on, and I'll be back. It's on, nice and tight. The only thing that's left is clean the baking soda off so it looks pretty when it goes back on the clock. Here's the one that's not broken. Here's the one that I just repaired. I say it's not broken. There's some of it that seemed to be broken off. They don't recommend that you glue these finials down, and the purpose behind that is when you go to ship the clock, if you go to ship the clock, you want to be able to take the finials off. There I folded up a paper towel, a napkin, and cut it to size, and put the finial in, and that holds it. I have to do the same thing to this. This holds a little better because of it's got the super glue on it. But I'm still gonna fold up a paper towel to put on there. But this is my French clock. I did a YouTube video on this already, and me working on it. I just had to repair the finial. I hope y'all like this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and may God bless each and every one of you.